Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to scan documents on your iPhone Pro Max. This built-in feature is incredibly convenient for digitizing important papers quickly. First, open the Notes app, which comes pre-installed on your device. Next, tap the icon to create a new note, then look for the camera icon. From the menu that appears, simply choose Scan Documents to begin the process. It's a straightforward way to get started. Once you've selected Scan Documents, your iPhone's camera will activate. Hold your device steady over the document you wish to scan. The intelligent software will automatically detect the document's edges and capture the image for you. If the automatic crop isn't perfect, you can easily drag the corners to refine the selection. After you are satisfied with the framing, tap Keep Scan to save it. After capturing your scan, you'll have the opportunity to review it. You can apply various filters, such as grayscale for a classic document look, or keep it in full color. The editing tools also allow you to rotate the document or make additional crops for a perfect finish. Once you are happy with the result, tap Save to store your newly digitized document directly within the Notes app. For the best possible scan quality, consider a few key tips. Always ensure your document is well lit with even light, avoiding any harsh shadows. Placing the document on a flat surface that contrasts with its color will help your iPhone detect edges more accurately. Hold your device as steady as possible and parallel to the document. Following these simple steps will help you achieve clear, professional-looking digital copies every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.